In a world full of Virat Kohli's, be Bapu.
कल ऑस्ट्रेलिया के अगेंस्ट हम 6 स्पिनर लेंगे. चाहिए कि ट्रेविस हेड बॉल ऊपर मारे और लोगों के ऊपर रोहित शर्मा डाइव मारे कैच ले. दैट वुड बी रिवेंज. ट्विटर इज नाउ एक्स. तो ट्वीट्स को हम एक्सेस बोलते हैं. आई एम लाइक चेक आउट ऑल माय एक्सेस. अजय देवगन and Vimal, let's talk about this partnership. Will it ever end?
Bigger than Sachin and Sehwag or Rohit and Shikhar.
It's one life, make it large.
Time that we start considering Bangladesh a much better opponent.
At the end of the day, farmers are the winners.
Welcome to Crickheads episode number 40.
It is!
Oh, one second.
Abey,
Oh, sorry.
you had one job.
It's a blessing Muzarabani for a reason.
What are you saying?
Yeah, he's
is he
the
from
only-
Pakistani?
No.
Hina Rabbani and Muzar Rabbani?
Sounds like it. He's sounds Irani to me. But he's from Zimbabwe, 6'8" bowler.
6'8" bowler.
Yeah, but he's the only bowler or cricketer
Huh.
who has chosen number 40 on earth apparently.
Oh wow.
Matlab, I couldn't find any others. You guys know any? Let me know.
Yeah, has he retired? Or he's still playing?
Bhai,
Please check
ye
that.
follow-up questions I wasn't expecting.
I'm
Let me
checking because
check.
if he's 6'8", he should be playing
Kya
International Masters League.
He's
but-
a current player.
He's a current player?
2017 to present.
Ooh.
Yeah,
nice.
he's 9 test matches. 30
From 2017?
Zimbabwe, dude.
Zimbabwe is playing.
कोई
Like,
खेल रहे नहीं है उनके
हाँ.
साथ. 33 wickets, 23 average है भाई. और क्या चाहिए?
अरे
तुम्हें
वाह,
भाई?
all-rounder.
And T20 में 21 average है. First class 22 average है. भाई great bowler.
great stats.
He's a blessing for Zimbabwe and cricket in general.
Yeah.
So,
हाँ.
हाँ.
It's been, first of all,
Yes.
let's clarify why.
हाँ, हम क्यों नहीं थे last week?
इंडिया पाकिस्तान मैच से हम गुस्सा तो थे, but it's not that. हमने रिकॉर्ड किया.
हमारे एडिटर ने एडिट नहीं किया. थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो गया था.
उसका अंतरिक्ष क्या हुआ था प्लीज बताओ. रेंडर नहीं हो रही थी फाइल.
हाँ. So we spoke in such insane 4K last time. कि our conversations were not rendering. So we'll use simple words this time. So sorry we missed last week. A lot of people I'm sure are thinking कि जब मैच नहीं होता है तब तो रेगुलरली डालते हो. तो अभी चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी चल रहा है कहाँ गए?
It's so sad. एक भी मैसेज नहीं है guys. Where
Yeah,
is
that
this
is
week's
more sad. कि no one said where is my Crickheads episode?
Yeah, there is. You guys are watching Jared Kimber, I think.
Yeah, what the hell, man? You want real analysis now? Huh?
Yeah.
You forgot us?
But lot of,
Yeah.
you tell me,
Lots has happened. Things
lot-
have changed dramatically.
Lot like WPL. Let me
WPL.
tell you, Delhi Capitals is leading
Yeah.
at this point.
Yeah, and most importantly, अभी जो screen पे चल रहा है,
It is
income tax has scored 205.
against Reliance. And from the past we know, income tax has never won against Reliance on or off the field.
The only time income tax has a chance.
Against, and Reliance gets a wicket on the non-striker end.
Oh my God.
Man, such important cricket matches that I'm...
IT पे raid हो गया. On IT. It's the tables have turned.
अनंत का फोन आया है भाई, बैठ जाऊंगा जल्दी.
If you guys always wondered कि income tax raid होता है, पर income tax लोगों पे कौन raid करता है? The answer is Reliance.
Wicket, dude, that's
Yeah,
great.
bro, that was planned.
Like
of course.
Chamanda Was type lefty bowler coming. Chamanda Was ने भी ऐसे I think इंडिया के against लिया था.
हाँ. अरे बाप रे बाप. Classic moment. So this is the cricket we have been focusing on. Is there any other tournament on?
There are very important tournaments.
क्या चल रहा है?
International Masters League. India.
Sachin.
Yes. We have 3 matches. 3 out of 3 games we've
They're
won.
making reels of Sachin ki bro thinks he's the greatest of all time. और उसका it's a cover drive.
I mean, he's as a Sachin fan myself, like that's the only league I've been watching because I'm like Sachin की batting देखनी है मुझे.
हाँ.
Dude, he has rediscovered himself in old age, man. Like
He's killing
love
it,
him, love him.
Him and also Rahul Sharma I saw.
He's took a
राहुल
hat-trick.
शर्मा ने विकेट लेके ऐसे 4 सेलिब्रेशन किया. He cried, he smiled. It was like that moment from NKR ने जो किया था in Australia अभी. Like his family was in the crowd. They like finally career start हो रहा है.
तो ऐसे NKR बोला, मैं बोला कौन सा साउथ इंडियन एक्टर है ये? कौन सा तो रहेगा? एक है ना
नीतीश कुमार रेड्डी. हाँ. MTR.
MTR
restaurant
हाँ ये साउथ का
NTR है भाई.
NTR.
from Andhra.
Okay,
He's a legend of Telangana.
But is he an
and Andhra.
international Masters League player? Not really. So it doesn't fucking matter. Sachin's been beautiful. Very important leagues. These are happening, and there's a side league also happening.
और
if
क्या
you
है?
want to talk.
Oh yeah, there's a little something जहाँ पे
some
बहुत
jam-
बारिश हो रही है.
Ah,
There's a league.
played in 2 countries.
Two
Different.
countries, but only one on paper. And also, I mean, Champions Trophy is the one. I guess you would. We assuming some of you
People
would
who
be
are
watching.
not cricket followers, of course, like you, who are those noob followers of cricket, would
Yeah.
be watching
Yeah.
Cricket Champions
These
Trophy.
current players. Who watches current
Yeah,
players?
yeah,
What
we
the
on-
hell's wrong?
yeah, we only want people who have a tummy, you know.
I want players who have proved that they can play.
Yeah.
To come back. I need a track record. कि पूरा career हो गया है. फिर I come to watch you. Prove yourself.
Yeah, and this year I think has been a great year so far for DY Patil Stadium.
Yeah.
Shout out for Bombay people.
That's
you guys
right.
Don't know this is happening. It's a stadium which is outside Mumbai. It's in Navi Mumbai.
Yeah.
And we used to have IPL games there earlier.
What a way to get a tax exemption by DY Patil कि IT को खिला दो और खत्म.
Yeah, and
I
DY
think-
Patil के नाम पे पक्का होगा कुछ ना कुछ because
100%.
private institute उसमें
100%.
तो DY Patil पे ये मैच चल रही है. इसके पहले Legends वो
Legends
इंटरनेशनल
League,
मास्टर्स जो भी it's called वो चल रहा था. उसके पहले Coldplay आके गया.
Wow,
So it's
man.
like great comeback,
Great
man. DY
stuff.
Patil is giving me hope. Guys, if you think you're not having a good day or a week, just wait and watch because DY Patil has taken 15 years
Wow.
to make a comeback. It's an inspirational journey.
Yeah, what a underdog story.
Yeah.
DY Patil ने prove कर दिया अपने आप को.
yeah, I
But
think-
yeah, check out income tax is on a great run right now. At least IT Raiders नाम रखना था. यहीं पे Raiders option perfect होता है.
And Reliance monopolizers. IT Raiders.
Raiders of the lost money.
So, okay. So, let's talk. Okay. So, number 1, last week का एक summary दे देते हैं. हमने क्या-क्या
Champions
episode
Trophy.
में बात किया था.
क्या किया था हमने?
कि इंडिया पाकिस्तान पकाओ गेम था.
पकाओ game
Only
था.
made money for what do you call it?
Ads.
Ad money was made.
Yeah.
गाइस तो लास्ट वीक हम लोग ने जो डिस्कशन किया एक बार बता देते हैं कि वही कि नथिंग इट वाज अ वेरी फक ऑल मैच. इट वाज लाइक अ मिनो गेम.
Yeah.
इंडिया वर्सेस
We bullied
पाकिस्तान.
them.
Yeah, and like always, I think it's time that we start considering Bangladesh a much better opponent
Absolutely.
than Pakistan. And these are, of course, our spirit animals from
That's
Pakistan, Wase Habib, and I forgot the other guy's name. But yeah, I mean, of course, बहुत time हो गया वो मैच को, तो उसके बारे में
उसके बाद हमने न्यूजीलैंड को भी
हरा दिया है.
Somehow दुबई में जो गेम्स हो रहे हैं वो ही खत्म हो रहे हैं.
हाँ.
रेन दुबई में हुआ है कि सिर्फ पाकिस्तान
सिर्फ
में हुआ
पाकिस्तान,
है?
and only I think in Rawalpindi, not
Oh,
even in
okay.
Lahore. But before that, dude, what the hell is happening? Like, okay, finally, थोड़ा पहली बात तो you know that both South Africa and Australia flew to Dubai yesterday or day before because they don't know who they're going to play, so they need to fucking prep immediately. Like, तो कल जैसे ही मैच खत्म हुआ, आज ये हुआ है, तो now
So they now South Africa has to fly back to
has
Pakistan.
flown back. Yeah, they've had a 36-hour extra journey for no reason.
Just because of India.
Dude, India, and okay, I'll tell you one more thing. There was a Afghanistan match against, I mean, मैं क्या अलग से बोल रहा हूँ, बट अफगानिस्तान वर्सेस इंग्लैंड मैच हुआ. उसके अगले दिन एक और मैच हुआ जो आई थिंक वॉश आउट हो गया या जो भी. उसके अगले दिन वापस अफगानिस्तान वर्सेस ऑस्ट्रेलिया मैच हुआ.
वो भी वॉश आउट हुआ.
वो भी आई थिंक बारिश आ गई उसमें भी. बट द थिंग इज like they could have easily pushed that game to a Saturday.
Yeah.
And they could have played the England South Africa game on a Friday. And technically उस time पे इंडिया का गेम बनता था on that Saturday.
Based
but
on the
हाँ, on Saturday, but we played on Sunday because it's dude, it's
nothing. This is what I'm saying. It's just us. We are the only clients for this service.
yeah, it's like horrible.
Called
everyone's fucking calling it out.
Also,
now.
imagine how South African squad feels. They're being flown around just because of this issue. And
they're
it's
like राजपाल यादव, मैं क्या मंदिर का घंटा हूँ.
it's just ridiculous, dude. मतलब this is not. I'm not saying कि that means we should have gone to Pakistan, but this is not the way to organize a tournament.
Yeah.
कि क्या है ये?
Even now on the final,
Yeah.
there is like no name written on the stadium
Yeah.
because it's like a comma डाल दिया है बस.
It's like India's like the rich kid who has been. Have you watched the Dictator?
The Dictator,
Sasha
yes.
Baron को
हाँ.
जहाँ वो रेस जीत जाता है ना खुद
हाँ.
वो he runs with the gun himself और वो भी गोली मार देता है अपने opponents को. It's like like it's all rigged to let India win, and I don't mean win the tournament. If it was that, at least अच्छा होता. It means win commercially.
Yeah.
Commercial victory for India and all the Indians involved.
Only commercial victory for Digit Insurance
Yeah.
and all these other brands.
Yeah, fucking unbelievable.
Dude, it's crazy. Like, everyone's been calling it out. I think a South African cricketer, Australian cricketer called, not Australian, New Zealand, that, yeah, they have too much advantage because they are in the same city.
Yeah.
They're not flying anywhere, playing
Yeah.
on the same
They're
wicket.
going to be calm and relaxed. Every day दुबई में मसाज
हाँ,
लेके बैठा है
मस्त।
टीम इंडिया. वहाँ पे रावलपिंडी में इन लोग खेत में जा रहे हैं बिकॉज रेन आ गया
वही
है.
ये लोग मस्त दुबई मॉल में जाके शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं, बुर्ज खलीफा पे फोटो खींच रहे हैं.
But the real champions are the Pakistani farmers. बारिश बहुत हो रही है.
हाँ,
This time crop अच्छा होगा. Let's think of the positives.
पॉजिटिव पाकिस्तान में खाना अनाज उगने वाला है इस साल. That is a big positive.
But तुझे क्या लगता है ये टूर्नामेंट ऑनेस्टली मैं बहुत ही I've been watching with one eye on it. मैं
क्या
ठीक
बात
से
कर
देख
रहा
नहीं
है?
रहा
Bro,
हूँ.
I've been watching every game.
Every game?
I am that noob. So, by the way, this is compensation before we go to that.
Yeah.
That India is playing the match tomorrow. We are recording on Monday after the New Zealand game, and India is playing on Tuesday.
India's playing tomorrow?
Tomorrow, because they're like, अच्छा now इतना advantage तो नहीं दे सकते, अभी immediately खेलो, चलो जाके.
Okay.
But
तो इंडिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया in Dubai tomorrow.
Dubai tomorrow, and Australia is just meant like कल पता चला शाम को.
हाँ,
इनको
और
that-
मैंने सुना ऑस्ट्रेलिया को जस्ट फॉर द हेक ऑफ इट उन लोग ने वाया ऑस्ट्रेलिया फ्लाई करा है. They took them back to Australia and brought them. I told them कि you can go to your homes and come, but actually to tire them out, they're going to be jet lagged. उनको दिखेगा भी नहीं. दो रोहित शर्मा दिखेगा, जो हमें भी एक्चुअली दो ही दिखता है आजकल. वो काफी मतलब दो रोहित शर्मा इक्विवेलेंट हो गया है अभी. बट so lot of advantages for Team India.
Dude, it's insane what's happening.
I think कल ऑस्ट्रेलिया के अगेंस्ट हम 6 स्पिनर लेंगे. They will find 2 more.
फिर से सुपर सब होगा गौतम गंभीर
इनकम
वाला.
टैक्स टीम से 2 स्पिनर उठा के ले जाएंगे.
आईटी रेड मारवा दो ट्रेविस हेड के घर पे.
Why don't we experiment and make a team full of spinners? Batting is secondary.
Yeah.
सब लोग स्पिनर ले लो.
ये
क्या हो क्या रहा है भाई? So goes chaotic.
कैमरा क्लीन कर रहा है, वो लेंस क्लीन हो रही है वहाँ पे.
ये सब हम काट देते हैं, इन लोग नहीं काटते. But हाँ, let's एक बार quickly, since this will come out tomorrow and we have been promised by Antriksh and our editor, so it's coming out tomorrow.
Yeah.
I mean, he can cut this out.
Otherwise,
And
yeah,
not
go in the
release it.
credits and get in touch with Prem.
If this did not come out tomorrow, guys, please go in the comments.
Yeah.
This is like a real mind fuck. Like, what does that mean? For you, it will be today. As you're watching it, it's today for you, but for us, it's tomorrow because we are in yesterday. Just remember.
Yeah.
So,
Wow, this is some Christopher Nolan movie kind of stuff happening.
This is like
in a podcast.
Amitabh Bachchan in that My Name is Anthony Gonzalez का starting में कुछ ऐसे लंबा बोलता है वो.
हाँ या एकदम full English बात करता है उसमें.
But
I'll tell you, मैंने देखी है.
क्या?
मैंने
सारे
काफी
games देखे
मैंने
तूने?
सारे गेम देखे except England South Africa. I refused to watch that game.
that was rained out, right?
No, that happened.
Oh, South
South
Africa
Africa won like
Okay,
by
they
a
destroyed
big. They
England.
destroyed
Yeah,
England
yeah.
because I was like, bus. But the best match of this tournament is the one that I saw ball by ball.
Yeah, England Australia.
Afghanistan.
Oh, India. Oh, yeah.
England,
yeah.
Australia also I saw.
Yeah, but
beach mein I was
हाँ.
little traveling, so I couldn't watch 10-20
England,
overs. But England,
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan, I saw ball to ball
Dude.
because I had a feeling something will happen.
Always. Afghanistan just does it, dude.
They always upset one team.
Yeah.
Like England को बाहर कर दिए, फिर खुद out हो गए. Like just perfect. Like
Afghanistan always, they never leave a tournament quietly. They do something and go.
yeah, it's insane, and
thoda-
I think like India should, like it should be India Afghanistan as the new rivalry. I propose. You know, Patanjali, please put your money
Yeah,
behind
and
this.
अफगानिस्तान जिनको इंडिया ने बहुत हेल्प किया है in terms
हाँ.
of facilities, training,
Yeah.
वो सब तो.
Apparently पाकिस्तान ने भी किया है.
अच्छा.
हाँ, ये मुझे recently पता
ये
चला
हमें
है.
नहीं पता है.
हाँ, we don't consider that.
This is like real मतलब actual politics में जैसे होता है कि इंडिया दोनों रशिया और यूएस के साथ अच्छा रखते हैं
हाँ.
simultaneously. अफगानिस्तान is that in
Yeah.
cricket. पाकिस्तान और इंडिया दोनों को
दोनों
खुश
को पकड़
रख
के रखा हुआ. यूनिस खान उनको मेंटर कर रहा था
Oh.
for Champions Champions Trophy.
Time for us to send someone then.
Yeah, it's
किसको
time.
भेजे हम?
Lakshman.
Lakshman, very very special को भेज देगा.
Very very special, but थोड़ा vegetarian किस्म का इंसान लगता है, तो I think
किसको भेजे भाई?
वसीम जाफर.
वसीम जाफर को थोड़ा
Wafer.
ट्विटर से ब्रेक लेके भेज दे क्या? Tweet.
वही X से थोड़ा, but I don't know, अफगानिस्तान में X बैंड होगा तो नहीं, वेफर भी नहीं जा सकता है.
और ट्विटर अभी just side note, Twitter is now X.
Yeah.
तो tweets को हम X's बोलते हैं क्या? Because I'm like, check out all my X's. Bam. जोक दे दिया भाई.
वो इतना इंटरेस्टिंग क्रिकेट चल रहा है guys, that हमें और अलग जोक मारने पड़ रहे. But yes, okay, comment में बताओ which cricketer are we sending to mentor.
Yeah, who can counter Yunus Khan's mentorship from
Yes,
India? Who can take Yunus down?
I want Ambati Raidu.
I want Shiv Sundar Das.
Okay.
बहुत time हो गया है, and he's not been in the limelight.
He's never been in the limelight.
Even when he wasn't.
Yeah.
But
Never played under floodlights also.
हेमंग बदानी को भेज सकते हैं.
हेमंग बदानी.
Short king. But India New Zealand पे बोल देते हैं because it just concluded.
Yes.
मैं honestly मैं तेरे को बोल रहा था, I was watching the game in some pub. I mean, I wasn't really watching. I was in the pub. The game was on.
Yeah.
मेरे पीछे था. I took the seat where I don't look at the screen.
What are you saying?
So that I don't, because I won't talk only. Then if I'm looking at the screen, I'll just be like ऐसे ही देखते
हाँ, मैं तो वही करता हूँ हर जगह.
तो मैं बोला without watching. This is true. You can never prove this, but it's true. कि 250 will be the target.
Yeah.
The one time I said it off camera, सही निकला. यहाँ पे मैं बोलूँ तो नहीं होगा. And I also said कि
Actually next time हम कैमरा छुपा के ऐसे वो तहल का स्कैम के वो
अपना ही स्टिंग
ऑपरेशन की तरह हम लोग करते हैं. I was watching it with my dad, dude. The first innings, it was peak dad moment.
It is a very dad innings also to watch.
Yeah.
250 is like 5 and over in 2025. Yeah. Man. It's not watchable, dude. Thankfully Pandya ने थोड़ा मार दिया, वो part मैंने देखा.
Pandya ने हमारा अक्सर and Shreyas
आया.
The three the Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh of the team who will never get any marketing spend. It's always going to be Kohli.
That's right.
And Bumrah.
Anytime Shreyas Iyer will hit a nice 4, I imagine they are cutting to Virat's reaction.
Yeah.
So that Virat को दिखा सके. क्या मारा dude?
Yeah.
And Virat is also just permanently animated, so you can cut to him anytime. He's always like, he lives life assuming 10 cameras are on him.
He's a Rolling Stone member, permanent tongue out. every meme.
40 licks. But
Indian team का उदित नारायण.
But his kisses are only for one woman. Anushka Bhabi. But also I was like 4 spinners hai.
Yeah, that
we
was
will just get them out.
So when I'm watching it with my dad, he's of course annoyed because for him, like he doesn't know how to play cricket at all. Okay. So for him उसको pitch कुछ समझ नहीं आता. वैसे हमें भी उतना नहीं समझ में आता. But इंडिया ने 4 स्पिनर पिक किए तो समझना चाहिए कि कुछ होने वाला है. He's like, ये क्या स्कोर है? ये कैसे जीतेंगे? बड़े गंदा खेल रहे हैं ये लोग. इतना स्लो क्यों हो गए हैं?
But that's just peak dad. Dads have to be like
this.
Dads can't be happy about our score.
Yeah, and I'm trying to tell him that listen, this wicket has something. 4 spinners we've taken, nothing's working. Then Shreyas Iyer is batting well, so he's like, yeah, he's from Mumbai, you know. I'm like, yeah, he used to stay in Worli in this Adarsh Nagar colony and all. So he's like, now I'm like, but now he stays in World 1. So my dad is like, is he staying on rent or what? I'm like, he's Shreyas.
He forgot about the cricket
match. He's like,
कितना rent है उधर? Per square feet कितना है?
I'm like, World 1 में उसने घर खरीदा. He's like, उसने World 1 में घर. I'm like, of course, बहुत पैसे बनाए उसने.
By the way, World 1 में ही विराट का भी World 1 में ही है ना?
नहीं, विराट का I don't want to dox anybody.
It's in Worli, right?
No. Virat is in, I think, the suburbs now. I think earlier he was in.
एक वर्ली में कहीं घर था उसका.
हाँ, रोहित शर्मा का है. प्रभा देवी वर्ली side. But I think Shreyas is also. He was. You're right. But
दादर के कोई कॉलेज के पास नहीं है रोहित शर्मा का घर?
नहीं.
क्योंकि वहाँ
वड़ा पाव.
मैंने सुना है.
Next to Kirti College. Ashok Vada Pav. But anyway, so that was my conversation with my dad. Was like,
dude, because you said it this reminded me. My dad, if I wasn't watching it with him because he's in Bangalore, but if I was, he would also say 250 क्या score
है, yeah.
But if let's say we scored 350, he'd be like, pitch में कुछ नहीं है. That you change to the pitch is bad. It's not what is good.
Yeah, that's classic dad. I'm like, I'm telling my dad, okay, at like Aksar is batting, अच्छा खेल रहे हैं. रुक जाओ, मैं बोल रहा हूँ आपको 270 अगर हो गया ना गेम तो हमारा मतलब बहुत ही अच्छा चांस है
Yeah.
जीतने का. आई एम टेलिंग हिम
Yeah.
एंड ही इज लाइक नहीं कुछ भी.
Dude, हमारे I just realized if I'm not mistaken 3 lefty spinners हैं हमारे
Yeah.
टीम में and right Jaddu is lefty right
अक्सर
Aksar is lefty
Kull.
Kullu is lefty and बीच में से क्या हुआ लेफ्टी को खेलने के चक्कर में राइटी ने 5 विकेट ले लिया कल. वरुण माय ब्रदर वरुण चक्रवर्ती
यस
5 wickets also incredible drop catch plus boundary combo. It's good the drop kick it's called the Varun Chakravarti drop kick combo where you drop the catch kick the ball to the boundary.
I don't know if people saw that.
You
but
have to check that out if you missed that. It must be it should be a reel somewhere.
It should be. And of course, like, yeah, man, what is it? Fuck, I forgot. I had a very important point to make.
Point था क्या?
I always have
सोच
important
ले.
points to make.
Can't miss these points.
Yeah, but coming back to Glenn Phillips
Oh, what a
and how Phillips got
Oh,
trolled.
please tell.
Phillips, the brand.
Yeah.
People I think it started as a joke. I don't know, or it must have started as someone.
Yeah, who can say anymore?
Yeah,
it's a chicken and egg thing कि पहले joke आया कि असलियत.
Yeah, we are living in this post-truth era
That's right.
where nobody knows what is the real deal.
Yeah, where a child is the president of America.
Yeah, he's
तो
like
कुछ भी हो सकता
shouting at Zelensky. But I was saying, my dad
Yeah.
dad actually gets worried about like players' performance not because they're playing badly, but because उनके real life में मतलब क्या हो रहा है around that time. Like जैसे पुजारा एक बार अच्छा नहीं
Personal
खेला था.
family issues.
Family. So he's like पुजारा ने एक दिन out हो गया. He's like अरे ऐसे कैसे आउट हो गया? अभी शादी हुई है इसकी. Should be serious. You'll get dropped. How? So he's very like.
Dads are looking to be everyone's dads.
Yeah, like कि लड़का अच्छा खेलना चाहिए ताकि उसकी शादी बरकरार रहे. अब भी responsibility आई है.
I love this about Indian dads that they are concerned in a way. It seems on the surface sweet कि सबका dad बनना है, but they are concerned for people who they don't have to worry about.
Yeah.
Who are sorted. कोई really person who needs help उसके बारे में नहीं सोचते.
His own child. There is no consideration for this piece of shit who is not doing anything in life.
Man, but
sorry, yeah, but what was that fucking cat? This Glenn Phillips, number one.
What a guy.
If he was an Indian, ठीक है, there would be so much PR happening around him, diving around like कोई Superman type ad बन जाता, like he would be like the Zepto, like he
Zepto's brand ambassador and the
jump
mascot.
करके deliver कर देते हैं in 7 minutes. Glenn Phillips, dude, he took Babar Azam का I think left hand
I
से,
remember.
and then
And this is
यहाँ पे
right
तो
hand.
right hand से.
और फिर Kane ने भी left hand से लिया.
Dude, ये
Amazing.
न्यूजीलैंड वाले
man.
इसके लिए ये लोग पूरा टाइम उड़ते ही रहते हैं ना वहाँ पे. न्यूजीलैंड में देखना
भाई
तू,
मैं तेरे को बोल रहा
स्काई
हूँ
डाइविंग
ये उड़ते रहते हैं.
हाँ.
प्लस जो कॉमन पॉइंट है उनका ग्रास बहुत मस्त होता है.
हाँ.
तो ये सब हम ड्रॉप इन पिच क्या कर रहे हैं? ड्रॉप इन आउटफील्ड लाओ इंडिया में.
हाँ.
न्यूजीलैंड से आउटफील्ड लाओ. पिच रखो हमारा.
हाँ.
डू द नेगेटिव. पिच हमारा है और सब उड़ा के लाओ.
हाँ.
फिर मेक रोहित शर्मा डाइव भाई.
ANZ बैंक का भी
हाँ,
वो
भी लाओ.
ANZ बैंक है ना
हाँ,
वो,
हाँ.
उसका भी लेके आओ.
हाँ.
क्योंकि विमल गंदा लगता है डूड.
Seriously,
इंडिया के जब भी वो
dude.
स्पॉन्सर आते हैं,
Come on, dude, ये
कोई जर्दा कोई सीमेंट पता नहीं
Shameful,
क्या
dude,
क्या ये लोग.
shameful, dude. And like by the way, Ajay Devgan and Vimal, let's
Yeah.
talk about this partnership. Will it ever end? It's the longest brand
Biggest,
work I've
bigger
ever
than
seen.
Sachin and Sehwag or Rohit and Shikhar.
Yeah, I love how I saw some interview where Ajay Devgan, sorry this is not cricket related at all, but बोल देता हूँ क्या सिर्फ क्रिकेट ही बात करें क्या हम?
Don't you think we are people?
We are people too.
Yeah.
और यही है हमारा पॉडकास्ट आउटलेट
Yeah.
सारे थॉट्स के लिए. अजय देवगन एक अनुपमा चोपड़ा के साथ सीगन इंटरव्यू हिम एंड रोहित शेट्टी.
I like how you're watching this stuff.
I know this. Sorry that somehow this came up in my feed, and in that Ajay Devgan is basically taking this attitude about, I think it's about award shows or something, and he's like, I'm above all this.
Of course, he's
because
above.
I'm just doing work,
Hmm.
and he's acting like he's an artist, you know. And I'm like, तू विमल, sorry, आप विमल के brand ambassador हो. ये as long as you are Vimal's brand ambassador, you're not above anything. You are selling गुटखा, dude. इलायची बोल के या जो भी. Do they call it इलायची? Other brands
They call it इलायची
बोलते
और या some.
Like गावस्कर भाई ने भी किया.
गावस्कर भाई ने भी किया, कपिल पाजी ने भी किया.
Worst animation वाला इलायची ad. But उन लोग they are not trying to act over smart otherwise.
हाँ मतलब वो अपना कर रहे हैं. Actually कोई अजय देवगन को भी हेट नहीं दे रहा है. हेट सिर्फ मिला है अक्षय को. शाहरुख को भी कोई नहीं बोला कुछ.
That's true. अक्षय को
बनता भी है.
because हाँ अक्षय
करता भी है ना.
It's a double-edged sword ना. तुम अभी if you're representing India, in
It's the
every
beer
movie,
bicep effect.
Yeah.
The beer bicep syndrome. Like if you fuck up.
would you rather do 1,000 Vimal ads
Yeah.
or join one and end it forever? Akshay Kumar was in just one. I remember only the one with Shah Rukh and him and
Yeah, he was in that one and then he
The
eventually
Avengers.
withdrew. Yeah.
the Vimal Avengers.
He eventually withdrew. See, if you're going to peddle conservative bullshit,
Yeah.
then you're going to get fucked. तुमने ही वही audience बनाई हुई है.
तुमने ही
चूतियों
बनाई
की.
है
हाँ,
तो अब
तुम्हारी
डुबकी मारो
हालत,
उसी
हाँ.
में तुम. But
But I think
हाँ.
last week से मेरे को एक चीज realize हो रही है. I think if Pakistan, these guys, if they need a coach, it
Yeah.
is Donald Trump. I want to see that video of Rizwan and the entire Pakistan team sitting on one side and
Oh.
Donald Trump.
Oh man, that
Just-
would be the greatest conversation ever.
Yeah.
Rizwan and Trump.
Trump. Like he'll say the same things he said to Zelensky. Like you guys have nothing. What did he say? Antriksh?
Yeah. what-
Antriksh did a good Donald Trump impression.
He said, "You don't tell us how we should feel.
yeah.
Great."
We're feeling great. You're worse than China. China. उनको चाइना बोलने में बहुत मजा आता है उसको. Also the funny thing in Trump was how he said his vice president told Zelensky, have you ever said thank you to us? Did you say thank you once? I'm like, is this a relationship like fight that I'm getting into?
Just thank NATO on email. Send greetings from Archie's.
Yeah, Donald Trump would be a good coach for anyone, I feel.
Pakistan though definitely needs a good coach who's non-Pakistani.
I think Donald Trump अगर PCB का head हो जाए
हाँ, खत्म.
तो इंडिया को भी खिला देगा वो
हाँ.
पाकिस्तान में. India would be flying to Pakistan. That's the power of Trump.
Someone said no. I think Rizwan said or someone के वो वाघा border पे ही stadium बना दो ताकि दोनों side से player आके
That's
दे.
great.
It's a good
That's great.
solution actually.
Yeah, it's a India end से बोल करो और
हाँ.
पाकिस्तान end. Dude, there's no
Nice.
changing sides.
Oh, dude.
India just goes from India end. Pakistan बोलते हैं Pakistan end.
Pakistan will bowl from both ends.
Or no running.
Yeah.
Pitch will be halfway India. So there's no running, only boundaries.
Yeah.
तो VVS Lakshman को लाओ वापस टीम में to just make it work with boundaries. Man, that should be a.
It's actually a great idea.
Wagah border cricket stadium should be a thing.
Yeah, like half में and yeah, you.
And
just
when they're
manage.
taking runs, you have to run with your legs up till here to take the run.
Yeah, full ऊपर करना
Yeah.
पड़े. Hamstring pull for Rohit Sharma.
Let us know if you think this is a great idea to
Yeah.
fix our relations between the two nations.
Yeah.
But अभी India.
Okay.
This is like the opposite of बाजीगर. India जीत के हारने वाले हैं हम. Because
Yeah.
जीत के हम अभी ऑस्ट्रेलिया को
Australia
खेलेंगे.
को but semis में.
It's better.
Yeah.
This setting is perfect for India to beat Australia and act like we've taken revenge
Yeah.
for the World Cup.
Yeah, and Travis Head एकदम sad दिखाना है
हाँ.
हमें. Because उनके bowlers भी कुछ खास मतलब कर नहीं रहे हैं. मतलब
हाँ.
मानस लाबुशेन को आके बचाना पड़ रहा है उनको.
It's Australia. Again, we can never say, of course. They, even in the ODI World Cup, it looked like they are the. This is not the team
Yeah.
that should.
Yeah, they peak at the right time.
Abhi-
But I think after their performance against Afghanistan, I think they might not. Like,
What happened against Afghanistan?
I mean, like, no, I mean, their bowling performance was like they
हाँ.
still scored time, and it was a flat track and all those things. It was a 280. But the thing is, who are their spinners? अभी
Yeah.
पूरा spin पे dependent है.
Zampa is there?
Zampa है, Maxwell है, और मानस डाल रहा है थोड़ा
हाँ,
बहुत.
that's part timers. Yeah,
हाँ,
you
अभी
can't
इनको भी
make it.
4 स्पिनर लाने पड़ेंगे. तो ये कहाँ से लेके आएंगे? नेथन लायन को वापस ले आएंगे
I think
ODI में.
I think the only way that they can win is they have to bat second. They have to chase, and
But
because
हमारे पास है ना 40
that's
over.
what I'm still like नहीं
Yeah,
जीतेंगे. If we somehow screw up in our batting, if we can screw up, we will screw up in our batting. Somehow एक दिन सारे flop हो जाए.
हाँ.
तो चेज कर सकते हैं उन लोग फिर. Given our 4 spinners can struggle or 3. I don't know how many they'll take
Yeah.
against. What do you think? 4 ही रखेंगे
अभी
अभी.
पता नहीं कल आई थिंक 4 ही रखेंगे क्योंकि
think
विकेट तो
अभी-
सेम ही है दुबई में ही
और
खेल
अब
रहे
हम जब सेमी विकेट में खेलते रहेंगे हम.
हाँ.
अभी अगर डिफरेंट पिच पे खेलने बोला उन्होंने
हाँ.
तो BCCI will say कि we refuse to play on different pitch
हाँ.
also because पाकिस्तान ने insist किया है कि हम अलग pitch पे खेले.
they have
No, I'm
possible.
saying they will create some fake thing
yeah.
कि same pitch पे खेले हम. It's not just ground नहीं छोड़ेंगे हम, pitch भी नहीं छोड़ेंगे.
हाँ.
यही pitch पे यही crack पे ball आएगा कल भी.
जड्डू
Now
का.
we know the cracks also. इस crack पे
Yeah.
ball डाल. It's fucking hilarious. So Australia hasn't played a game in Dubai.
No one.
Yeah,
has
because
played,
they've
no.
been their group
Every-
has been in Pakistan.
their group has been in Pakistan now. Even New Zealand also was in Pakistan only. Oh no, except India. No one is like.
2 दिन गुजारो हमारे दुबई में अमिताभ बच्चन आ जाएगा
शेख का कंदूरा पहन के आएगा कुछ दिन
अभी
गुजारिए.
दुबई तो गुजरात टाइप ही है अभी
हाँ.
हमारे लिए बिकॉज जय शाह has made it happen.
Yeah. So prediction time करे.
प्रेडिक्शन करते हैं
Okay. India versus Australia.
India
पहले
will
करते
win
हैं.
of course.
Yeah, India is winning.
It's a semi-final. We don't
Yeah.
lose semis.
Yeah, semi is.
Since 96 have we lost?
No, we have.
We have? Oh, we have lost. We have lost. We have lost. We have lost. But that was in New Zealand or Australia somewhere. हाँ. That doesn't count यार. Down under में क्या count होता है? उधर बॉल उल्टा आता है. सब कुछ उल्टा होता है उधर. हाँ.
Southern Lights देखते हैं वहाँ पे. ये सब नहीं count
उधर
होते.
snakes and ladders में snake से ऊपर जाते हैं. सब उल्टा है उधर.
तो okay, India.
tell, तू
Okay,
बता.
चल मैं बोलता हूँ. India will win the toss.
Oh,
that
that's the
is
craziest prediction. Rohit Sharma breaks his streak.
Yeah. Of,
Did we lose against
yeah, we
New
lost
Zealand
like-
also?
Yeah, we lost.
Oh my god.
So I have a feeling. You want to say something? Okay. Yeah.
No problem. Just close the door and
Just
we'll
close the
do
door
it.
and chill with Billy. Billy's inside sleeping. She's also tired
Yeah.
of the Champions Trophy.
Yeah.
But what was I saying?
Yeah, if
India
will win the toss, you're saying.
I think we will win.
Okay.
And we will bat first.
Okay.
And we will score 290.
290. That's I think our biggest total of
Yeah,
the
because they don't have
tournament,
Glenn Phillips to take that diving catch unless Maxwell does
right? I think
something.
they Australia can do it.
Yeah, but
उनमें है वो capability.
capability है but नहीं कर पाएंगे
नहीं कर
मुझे लग
पाएंगे.
रहा है. और फिर India will bowl them out for
200.
232.
Fair. I
No.
think that's fair. I think that's
240 से कम चाहिए. वो बदला चाहिए
Oh.
2023 का. 240 से कम कराओ.
मेरे को तो एग्जैक्ट बदला चाहिए. मेरे को चाहिए कि ट्रैविस हेड
हाँ.
बॉल ऊपर मारे
हाँ.
और लोगों के ऊपर रोहित शर्मा डाइव मार के कैच ले. That would be revenge.
Rohit is diving. That's your
That is
prediction.
my prediction.
Oh man, two
Rohit
very
is
tough
diving.
predictions we have.
And the shockwaves will go through cricket, the cricket world.
Yeah.
That Rohit Sharma ने dive किया है. ठीक है?
We'll also feel the shockwaves in
and the whole
Mumbai.
cricket world will feel the shockwaves.
Yeah.
And-
Mumbai will become an earthquake belt.
Yeah, that's right. दिल्ली बन जाएंगे. But India, okay, तो तू बोल रहा है India अगर if India bats first.
हाँ.
But you think is it are we winning the toss in batting first? Is that the choice that on this ground? सब
मतलब मैं तो predict
because
कर रहा हूँ.
chase तो due नहीं हो है क्या?
ड्यू
Due
नहीं.
factor
ड्यू
है
फैक्टर मतलब हम लोग ने तो विकेट तो निकाले कल.
ठीक है.
तो ड्यू
ठीक,
का
makes
इतना ही
sense,
सीन
makes
कहीं नहीं है और आप तो.
Okay, let's say India bats
You give
second.
you give that.
Australia bats first. I think Australia will struggle more if they bat second. Under the pressure of the chase, they will lose more wickets
Okay.
early. So if they bat first,
I think they will make 262.
260. That's a
262.
good prediction. ठीक है, चल 262 बनाएंगे. India will chase it in. Obviously, we will chase it.
46 overs.
46.2.
That's my prediction.
46.2 overs.
Okay.
Virat Kohli will score 82.
Oh.
Out. 82 out.
82 out. Short ball.
Not out. Short ball. Let's go with short ball.
Yeah.
And not a crazy catch. Normal catch this time.
Hmm.
And who will Akshar Patel will take us to the he will be at the crease when we win.
So no, okay. So we've only lost like 4 wickets maybe.
Or the other end से maybe we lost many wickets.
हाँ.
Akshar
अच्छा, but
sticks
Akshar
around.
sticks around.
हाँ,
Okay,
उन लोग
nice.
सब out हो जाएंगे
Yeah.
एक-एक करके.
Yeah. In a world full of Virat Kohli's B Bapu.
That's right.
Playing that only Bapu who's playing for the
That's
country.
right. Bapu takes revenge for Ahmedabad. That is the,
Yeah,
that is the update in the headline.
Yeah.
Bapu and Shami will be at the crease
Yeah.
when we win.
Oh no.
शामी जिसको बेचारे को बॉल से शोल्डर में मारा है उन्होंने on his bowling hand when he was batting and next ball I think or soon after Shami ने अपना लाला shot खेला.
Lala shot is always the most fun to watch. Lala.
the Lalan top shot right up in the air.
But if you're saying कि Akshar and Lala are going to be
बहुत विकेट गिरने वाले हैं भाई
मतलब
बीच में.
Dream 11 is making crazy money that day.
भाई मैं ड्रीम 11 के लिए ही सोचता हूँ. My dreams are Dream 11 dreams. मैं एक ड्रीम नहीं 11 ड्रीम ड्रीम करता हूँ एक रात में.
Sachin, a billion dreams. Shamik, 11 dreams.
11 dreams. तो
तो-
हाँ, either way India's winning.
Okay, so next game is एक और कर ही देते since
Next क्या है? Final है भाई.
नहीं साउथ अफ्रीका
Oh,
वो
South
यार फाइनल में दूसरा भी तो चाहिए कोई.
South Africa versus हमारा ये
NZ.
है NZ will be rained out.
Let's see where it's happening now that you've mentioned it.
South Africa NZ.
Schedule of
And Ravi Shastri.
At the end of the day, farmers are the winners.
Hey, it's in Lahore.
Oh, लाहौर में तो चल हो
रहा
जाएगा
है
गेम.
यार.
Just a flick of the wrist. I have to tell Ravi Shastri time to retire. Just a flick of the wrist. He said it twice in one over, I think, recently. I'm like, ये बहुत AI type हो रहा है. I start thinking कि is Ravi Shastri there or is it Ravi Shastri AI?
Possible.
AI bot.
And
Ravi
he said
bot.
that during drinks break, like flick off the wrist, like अरे.
Just a flick of the wrist and
That's a
60
sip-
ml more down the throat.
sip of a wrist.
It's one life, make it large.
Okay, Australia, South Africa, New Zealand. Let's just predict the winner.
Who
are we facing in the final?
I must say, well, it's in Pakistan, right?
It's in Lahore.
I think South Africa has the advantage.
I think NZ will win it.
Yeah.
I have a feeling because of whatever of this 36 hours. I think South Africa is now थोड़े डिरेंज हो गए वो
Oh,
इसके
South
बाद. I
Africa.
think it has changed. It's in the news. 36 hours, very important.
साउथ अफ्रीका को कस्टम्स में रिटर्न कर दिया
Yeah.
उन्होंने. दुबई में बोला नहीं है आपका वीजा, जाओ वापस जाओ. Why are you
उनको
here?
2 बॉटल अल्कोहल भी अलाउ नहीं किए. बोले
उनको बोला why are you here?
Yeah.
बोले for a cricket match. फिर उन्होंने बोला India has won, so you are playing in Pakistan. Not allowed.
Not allowed.
Visa rejected.
rejected. They can't get those 2 mandatory alcohol bottles. So I think New Zealand will win. You're saying South
Okay,
Africa.
I'm saying South Africa will win,
Yes.
and they'll be exhausted after this all this happens and lose badly in the final to
Then
us.
come back to Dubai. But their visa has been rejected already.
Again, they'll come back to Dubai and India will win by visa rejection. A new ICC clause. Boundary rule से तो better ही है.
they will, okay, I will predict that South Africa will come to Dubai and
ठीक है.
they will realize
हाँ.
they only have single entry visa and they had already entered.
सिंगल एंट्री वीजा तो मैच में उन लोग टूज नहीं भागेंगे. सॉरी गाइस, करना ही था मेरे को.
No boundary entry.
No boundary entry. By the way, South Africa, I'm actually more hoping than anything else. South Africa, उनके लिए थोड़ा लगता है मेरे को sad कि
So you want them to win in the final?
no, actually no.
I mean, yeah, we are not predicting the final
फाइनल
because
का नहीं करेंगे.
फाइनल का हम लोग कमेंट में डाल देंगे नीचे जब
फाइनल
हमारा
कब है?
मन
नेक्स्ट
करे.
संडे को है.
संडे को तो
करेंगे क्या उसके पहले हम? नहीं, उसके
नहीं.
बाद ही करेंगे.
हाँ.
तो कर देते एक प्रेडिक्शन.
Final is I'm saying India NZ.
यू आर सेइंग इंडिया NZ
You're
and
saying SA,
Yeah.
RSA,
या
Russia, South Africa.
क्या लगता है?
मेरे को लगता है इंडिया, of course. India is
course.
taking the cup now.
इंडिया इज टेकिंग द चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी.
मेरे को बोलते बोलते डर लग रहा है थोड़ा जितने
It's funny to
confidence.
predict the final when the semi-final
Yeah,
has also
yeah.
not
I was
happened.
like, एक second.
Lot
This
of
is the same on 18th of November when I told my friends, "Okay, guys, so tomorrow I'll see you on the streets dancing," and then I was in the sheets crying.
dancer in the streets,
streets.
crier in the streets. New hinge bio.
Yeah.
But we will never forget that day. But that's a good prediction. India winning is always a good prediction. I'm saying India South Africa final, and South Africa will just not be able to handle the pressure of this moment.
Yeah.
It will mean too much to them. And India
But-
के लिए क्या है?
But let me tell you one thing. South Africa का chance अच्छा है because they got 1 point because their match got rained out against Australia. This is the
Yeah.
first time rain has benefited South
That's
Africa.
true.
It's true. The year is also
The
changed.
rain jinx is now
It's
a rain.
2025.
Also, so maybe final में क्या होगा? New prediction from my side. तेरा
Yeah.
हो गया?
मेरा हो
तेरा
गया.
है India South Africa final. It will rain on day 1
In Dubai,
in Dubai.
they'll do cloud seeding.
That's why it's the craziest prediction.
And then Jay Shah will declare war on UAE. if that happens.
Jay Shah will vacuum clean the air and remove all the water. Next day पे फिर से
वो
rain
अपना मुंह
होगा.
खोल लेगा, इधर आएगा सब.
It's gonna be like the India Sri Lanka Champions Trophy final. Both days rain, and then we will share the trophy.
Oh my
and
God.
South Africa gets its first major trophy, although only one hand on the trophy because other hand में रोहित शर्मा का रहेगा other cup में.
Rohit Sharma will be happy with that result because वो अपने दूसरे हाथ में वड़ा पाव रख सकता.
दुबई में.
Of course,
दुबई में
दुबई में
gold
सारे
plated,
इंडिया.
gold foil वाला. Oh man,
Great prediction, but
all power.
you're saying okay, no, but predict.
No, it's not gonna rain.
No
Dubai.
draw,
It's-
yeah.
इतना भी power
But
नहीं है.
remember that one point they have won. Rain has already helped them.
Yeah,
So-
that is the लक्षण ठीक लग रहे हैं उनके इस बार.
तो
But
जीत भी सकते हैं
जीत
फाइनल
सकते
में.
बट नहीं इंडिया ही जीतेगी. You're not ready for it yet. We are the big boys of cricket except
Yeah.
when Australia.
Yeah,
are in
except
the
Australia,
final.
we know how to win big matches, man.
Yeah, we have big match mentality.
Yes.
With the small asterisks that when Australia
Yeah.
out in semi-final.
Terms and conditions.
Yeah. So we are gonna win either way. So good news, guys. Congrats. We won another.
And tomorrow
trophy.
we win against Australia. We are
Yeah.
taking Badla of 2023 19th November and also BGT. Don't
That's
forget.
right. Oh yeah, सब बदला खत्म कर
खत्म कर दो,
It's like बाप का बेटे whatever.
2003 का
सबका
बदला,
बदला लेगा तुम्हारा इंडिया.
2007 का बदला, सारे बदले एक साथ.
Yeah, let us know if we missed any badlas. All
Yeah.
the badlas need to be. Badlapur चल रहा है अभी ये. Badlapur 2. ठीक है. We will take all the revenge and that's the headline for this episode. India
Yes.
wins the last Champions Trophy.
Whoa, like they won in 2013.
That's right.
That was supposed to be the last one.
Well, this is the next last one. This is the new last.
The last before the last.
This is the last and final Champions
Yes.
Trophy. Final जब बोलते हैं, this is the final. This is the final. I don't see it coming back. But you guys think there's any reason for this tournament to continue?
Yes, please let us know in comments. What
Yeah.
do you think? Is it coming back? Is it not?
Yeah. Is it coming home?
Are you guys even watching it?
Yeah.
Do you guys even care?
And that's all that matters. Who wins the last tournament, right? First
Yeah.
में क्या फर्क
First
पड़ता
say,
है?
and we are anyway all-time Champions Trophy.
We are the champions of champions.
Champions Trophy. We won
So,
twice.
Tell me something. World Cup or Champions Trophy में which one seems more important?
नाम से तो Champions Trophy. Yeah.
It's the one the winners win.
Yeah.
World Cup
But
में
the
क्या
world
है?
is like for everybody to
क्या
win once in a while.
वर्ल्ड कप साउंड्स लाइक क्या है? कदमों में दुनिया. ये
हाँ.
तुम रजनीगंधा का ऐड लगता
हाँ,
है.
yeah.
तुम रखो ये अपना.
हम विमल खा के जीत सकते हैं वर्ल्ड कप,
Yeah.
but we don't promote Zarda and all. on our
सिल्वर कोटेड इलायची कप रखो अपने पास तुम.
Yeah.
Though we have 2 stars already
Yeah.
for World Cup. अभी चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी का बड़ा सा चौथा नहीं. कितने
तीसरा.
हैं हमारे?
एक वो ड्रॉ हुआ था.
हाँ, तो 2 है हमारे
एक
पास.
हाँ एक और है.
हाँ,
और
तो
ऑस्ट्रेलिया
दो-
के पास आई थिंक एक ही है. एक तो वो शरद पवार वाला, और 2009 या 10 में जीते थे कि
ऑस्ट्रेलिया
नहीं पता
हमेशा
नहीं,
हम
याद
जो
नहीं मुझे.
एस्टिमेट करते हैं ना, एक उसके ऊपर
एक
एक
ऊपर होता है तो उनका भी शायद 2 हो सकता है.
Yeah, if they got 2, let us know. I'm not forgetting.
Yeah.
It's tough too. It's like we blank out these memory. Who keeps this in your head?
Yeah.
कि जीतते
But
रहते
we
हैं
are gonna
चूतिए
win
लोग.
another Champions Trophy.
That's right. That's our prediction. Please comment so that and let us know why you didn't comment when we didn't show up last week.
Yeah,
most
they're
important.
really
है.
disappointed.
We are disappointed in you that you didn't comment.
Yeah,
Where
let
is
me
the
check
next
the last
episode?
episode, the one before that. Like,
हाँ.
no one cares about us, dude.
हाँ.
If even we die, they'll be like, oh,
क्या
man,
भाई
you
तुम
know.
लोग थोड़ा लव दिखाओ तो हम कंटिन्यू करें. लव हैज टू बी गिवन एंड टेकन.
Yeah, it's both ways. Not like Pakistan just losing and losing.
Since we didn't give an episode last week, ये लंबा कर रहे हैं हम तुम्हारे लिए स्पेशली.
Let's see.
Also,
No comment.
No comment. हद है यार. हद
Really
है.
sad.
Please comment excessively this time. And no, I'm new controversial rule, bhai. I'm saying CFBR is not allowed anymore. कुछ नया लाओ तुम. CFBR or write the whole thing out. Commenting for better reach. थोड़ा effort लगाओ.
कुछ तो
It's
करना
time to
पड़ेगा
upgrade the
तुम्हें.
comment section.
Yes.
New and improved comment section चाहिए हमें.
Yes.
थोड़ा effort लगाओ. I think we have
And that's the end of episode 40.
40.
Blessing
Muzara
Hina
Rabbani.
Rabbani.
for a reason.
Yes.
Check out Blessing Muzarabani highlights and let us know कैसा बोल करता हूँ.
Okay. Bye bye.
Ciao.